Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boulder Goes Modelworks, and we have build update part 1 of Tamiya's 1/35th scale German 8-ton Semitrack 20mm flak Verling SDKFZ 7-1. Due to how I build things, I got carried away with it, so I've done it so it's assembled. Everything be taken off ready for paint, so we can take the gun off, take the shields off the gun. Somewhere, the gun, I should point out, I've done it in a raised position. Also drilled out the gun barrels on here. Again, used the original the mesh on here. I didn't go for a photo etch. I went old school. I had to try it. So we've got the and the seats there. So basically we've got sort of disassembly. I'll point out a few issues. Ejector pins. Unfortunately, the age of the kit, we can say that this kit's got a lot of ejector pins on it. So sadly, we had to spend the time. My time was spent filling ejector pins on it. So obviously the seats are removable because they're going to be painted brown. And here comes the fun bit. We can take that bit off. So this bit's all, by the magic of model making, it's all painted separately. Tracks are on, but obviously the wheels aren't glued in place. Obviously take the winch off. I'll just point something out here. The instructions are marvellous when you're building up the chassis, because they have you building up the winch mechanism and the back plate. Where's the back plate? It's around here somewhere. I don't know where it is, but oh yes. Not very clear about putting the where to put that pulley, so I had to guess when I did it. Basically, I'm going to take it apart and paint it. So the wheels, in theory, pop them off, because they were a loose fit, honest. Pop the tracks off. On both sides. So we've got a lot of parts here, and obviously we can take the wheels off as well if we wish. There we go. There's no what's it pins on them, so you can't put the wheels on the wrong way round on it. And then you can take the axle out that way. I'll take another axle out there. So there we go, fully disassembled and ready for paint. And obviously I've left the, oh, they're there. Yeah, so I can basically do it so I can paint it. So we'll paint this German grey, prep it in German grey, and then we'll come back and we'll see how it is with it being assembled. So I'll see you in a bit. After a mammoth painting session, yeah, got a few pieces on this so far. Got the wheels, obviously, and return idler and dry sprocket. Obviously the wheels are painted up. And yep, they did ping all over the place when I did them. It's all, top of the truck's all painted. Got a few bits left to paint over from the paint spray booth. And now it's the fun job of assembling it all. So I've got to refer to the instructions. So these are angled angles, and then we've got 1 and 2 wheels. What should it be? Eins. We've got to fit them on there like that, and then we've got to get a D1 and D2, which I conveniently painted here. Silly question, where have I put my Mr. Underprepared? I've got to get my that's a 1. And that's a 2. Like so. So that's one wheel done. set of wheels, and obviously we've got to glue them into place, so we use real contactor. In theory you shouldn't need a lot because these are a pretty tight fit. There we go. Get that one on, like so, and let's rinse and repeat. So all my sisters out there gardening. One and two. Right. There we go. That's another one done. Just pause it there, I'm going to have a look at this. So, I've got all the wheels done. We're going to proceed to fit them. There's quite a unique way of fitting them. So obviously you go in like that, and push the wheels in like that. Show it on the other side. Then it goes in like that. Get the wheel in like that. Lots of wheels here. Getting a little bit of glue on it, but never mind. Last set of wheels. Whoops. And there we go. That's the wheels on the track, on the half track, and then we've got the tracks here. I shall get them on at some point today. And of course I dropped me a bit of wire for me revel contactor, and I found the original bit. Typical. So I'll put that away. And then here we go. That's one track on. Not going to worry about painting them because we know what happens when we paint them, because they disintegrate. How do I know that? See my my little video I did on the Churchill tank. And there we go. And she's on tracks. Very important. And then we've got quite a bit left to do, so we're going to leave it there for now. And I'll say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.